It is the 26th of August 2026, and this is today's French A0 to A1 beginner class from LinguaWire, made from real news stories. This class is a podcast and a video lesson, both on linguawire.com, linked below.
Today's main story is about SpaceX cutting the number of launches it does in Florida while it waits for Starship. First, there are 3 other stories from today's front page, and all of them can be read on linguawire.com.
First, le gouvernement britannique finance plus de 78 000 logements en Angleterre.
The British government is funding more than 70,000 homes in England. Plus de means more than, and it is a very useful way to talk about numbers in French.
Next, Celtic éliminé de la Ligue des Champions en Autriche.
Celtic is knocked out of the Champions League in Austria. Éliminé is a useful football word here. It means knocked out or eliminated. A brutal little headline for the fans.
And Dolly Parton, chanteuse américaine, meurt à 80 ans.
Dolly Parton, the American singer, dies at 80. À 80 ans means at 80, and French often uses for age in this kind of news headline.
Now, time for today's main story. Here is today's headline. SpaceX va moins lancer en Floride. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand.
SpaceX
va moins lancer
is going to launch less
en Floride.
in Florida.
French often puts the idea of quantity with moins. Right before the verb, it means the company will do fewer launches, not that it will launch more slowly.
Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
Mardi, un responsable a confirmé ce changement.
On Tuesday, an official confirmed this change.
La fusée Falcon 9 est très utilisée par SpaceX.
The Falcon 9 rocket is used a lot by SpaceX.
L'an dernier, il y a eu 165 lancements Falcon 9.
Last year, there were 165 Falcon 9 launches. This is a very common way to say that something existed or happened in the past. There was or there were.
Depuis janvier, SpaceX lance plus de missions depuis sa base de l'Ouest, en Californie.
Since January, SpaceX has been launching more missions from its west base in California.
Pour le reste de l'année, la cadence en Floride peut baisser.
For the rest of the year, the pace in Florida may go down. Peut means can or may, and baisser means to go down or to decrease.
Now for the verb of the day, lancer. In English, that means to launch. Here it is in the present tense. Je lance. Tu lances. Il, elle, on lance. Nous lançons. Vous lancez. Il, elle lancent.
Here's a normal everyday example. Je lance une balle. In English, I throw a ball.
One last time at full speed. SpaceX va moins lancer en Floride. Now you. Before you go, one question from today's story. Combien de lancements Falcon 9 y a-t-il eu l'an dernier?
That is, how many Falcon 9 launches were there last year? Combien? on its own asks how much, usually about a price or an amount. Here it is in everyday French. Combien coûte le pain? How much does the bread cost?
Is it A1 65, B 70,000 or C A0-A1?
Think about it. For the answer, 2 more knowledge check questions and today's full lesson sheet, visit the class page linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.